In this video, we're going to focus on subtracting a whole number from a fraction. So in the first example, we have 14 over 3 minus 2. The first thing we want to do is write 2 as a fraction. 2 is the same as 2 over 1. Now, in order to subtract these two fractions, we need to get common denominators. So I'm going to multiply 2 over 1 by 3 over 3. That is, using the denominator of the first fraction. Multiplying across, we have 2 times 3, which is 6, and 1 times 3, which is 3. Now, 14 over 3 minus 6 over 3. Now that we have the same denominator, we can subtract the numerators of the two fractions. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So the answer as an improper fraction is 8 over 3. Now let's do the same thing for the second example. Let's write 5 as 5 over 1. Now let's get common denominators. Using the denominator of the first fraction, I'm going to multiply the second fraction by 4 over 4. So when multiplying two fractions, you need to multiply across. 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 4 is 4. So we have 3 over 4 minus 20 over 4. So now that the bottom numbers are the same, we can subtract the top numbers. 3 minus 20 is negative 17. So the final answer as an improper fraction is negative 17 over 4.